For over 5 decades, the people of Somalia have waited for this moment. A moment where every citizen, young and old, men and women, can stand equal with one voice and one vote. Today, we are proud to say that moment has arrived. The National Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission has successfully implemented Somalia's first one-person, one-vote electoral system in over 50 years. This is not just an election, this is a transformation. In 2025, Somalia embarked on an ambitious and historic transition from an indirect, clan-based electoral model to a universal suffrage system. With the support of our partners and the resilience of our people, we designed and deployed a nationwide electoral framework that is transparent, inclusive, secure, and credible. On December 25, 2025, history was made in Banaadir. For the first time in generations, citizens in Mogadishu and surrounding districts voted directly for local council representatives, regional house representatives. The turnout exceeded expectations. The numbers were in thousands. Citizens who had never voted before stepped forward with pride and determination. They came not out of obligation, but out of belief. In May 2026, the Southwest state followed. This marked a full-cycle democratic exercise. Local councils elected, regional parliament formed, and a new regional leader democratically chosen. Mr. Aden Mohamed Noor was elected as president of Southwest State through a process driven by the will of the people. The election was peaceful, transparent, and widely accepted. A powerful signal that Somalia's democratic transition is not only possible, but working. In August 2026, Galmudug joined this historic journey. Citizens once again turned out in large numbers to elect local councils, regional house representatives. The process was conducted peacefully, with strong voter participation across all demographics. Today, Galmudug stands on the brink of completing its democratic transition as it prepares to elect its regional leader. These achievements were not without challenges. Security remained a top priority. Through coordinated efforts with national and regional forces, polling stations were protected, voters felt safe, and election materials were securely managed. At the same time, the Commission ensured strict adherence to electoral procedures, transparent vote counting, and independent oversight. One of the most powerful outcomes of this process has been inclusion. For the first time in decades, women voted in large numbers. Youth participated actively. Communities across regions felt represented. This was not just an election for the few, it was an election for all. The impact is already visible. Increased public trust in governance, stronger legitimacy of elected leaders, renewed civic engagement across the country. Somalia is moving from political uncertainty to democratic stability. But this journey is not yet complete. As we look ahead, our priorities remain clear: completing remaining regional transitions, strengthening electoral infrastructure, preparing for nationwide elections at all levels, ensuring sustainability of democratic institutions. With continued partnership, Somalia can fully consolidate this progress. For the first time in over 50 years, Somalis have spoken, not through intermediaries, but directly. They have voted, they have chosen, they have believed. And in doing so, there is hope for a democratic future for Somalia.